So hey there proud business owners, I hope you're doing great. So first of all, I would like to ask you a question that what is the ultimate motivation of running your own business? It is the increased profits. It is the exponential profits, money, right? So to achieve this thing, the exponential growth, you spend a lot of money on marketing so that the products and services that you are offering reach to your target audience. But at the end of the day, you realize that the ultimate activity that bring money to your pocket is not happening. That is, the sales, the conversions are not happening. This is all because you realize the fact that marketing is important, but you lack a very important factor, or one of the most important factor of sales, that is trust. You are not able to create that trust so that people buy your product or take your services. So in order to build that trust, the best thing you can do is implementing a funnel for your business. Whether it is a digital sales funnel or an offline sales funnel, you can use them to build that brand among your target audience. For example, let us take an example before that so that we can understand the trust factor more. Now, a stranger comes to you selling a laptop he has bought for 50,000 rupees just for 20,000 rupees because he is in need of money. He has the charger, he has the bill, he has everything. The laptop has not been opened yet, but you won't buy it from him. It's all because there is not a factor of trust. You don't trust that person. Now, similarly, suppose your best friend comes to you selling the same laptop he has bought for 50,000 rupees and he's selling it to you for 30,000 rupees. Even the price is more, you will ask some questions from him and end up buying because you trust that person. So we implement funnel in a business to build that trust factor. We take the target audience you want to sell your products or services to from a series of steps which will bring a confidence, a vote of trust for your brand, and they will end up being a loyal customer. So first of all, let us discuss what a funnel is and what steps are involved in that. So funnel involves 4 major steps, which is a basic funnel. You can make the funnel as complex as you like. So first of all is awareness. You make people aware of your business, that a business like you also exists in this world. Second, you develop interest in them. Third, you offer them your products and services. You create desire in them. Last but not the least, you provoke them, you motivate them to take actions, that is to buy your products and take your services. Let us take an example. You are a brand that is selling healthy online roasted snacks, right? You are on a mission to improve the diet of people so that they can avoid oily snacks. So you are on a mission of that. Now what you can do is, first of all, the best way to create awareness for your brand is by running ads. Other organic methods may take a long time, but running ads, whether they are search ads, display ads or video ads, they can help you create awareness in the fastest way. So among these, if you can create video ads, that will be the best, because video ads are engaging. Your brand will come before the people's eyes that you're targeting for, right? So after you have run your ads, people will click on your ad and land to a landing page. Now here you will have to offer them a lead magnet. Now what is a lead magnet? Lead magnet is a valuable information that you offer to your visitors in exchange of their contact information, for example email or phone number. Now so we have taken an example of one online healthy roasted snacks. You can offer them a diet plan so that they can manage weight, as obesity is a very great problem. We all know that. So when you have offered them a guide to how to manage weight, you can take their emails in exchange of that. Now you have created awareness and you have collected emails. Now you have an email list. Now second is interest. Now you are sending them more value through email marketing, which is for free. In these 2 phases, you are not trying to sell them anything. Now how is trust building in these 2 steps? What does a friend do? Let us take an example. He cares for you, he advises you. Now as a brand owner, you are advising your target audience, you are adding value to their life. So a trust factor is building. The person you're targeting for will think that yes, this brand is thinking about me. They want to add value to my life. Now There is a psychological fact that until and unless you are in front of your customers at least 7 times, they won't buy from you. Now you're constantly sending them value on emails. This can be weight management guides, or what can be healthy alternatives for your unhealthy snacks. Now you're giving them value. Third, you're creating a desire among them. Now you have given them enough value. Now you'll offer them your products and services. Here also you'll have to keep in mind, you're not directly selling them, you're just offering your products so that they can come to your landing pages and check out your products. Now they will go to your landing pages, they will again fill forms, and maybe suppose you're an e-commerce store, they'll go to the product pages but they will not end up buying. So now to jump to the last step so that people can take actions, they can buy your products and services, you'll have to do retargeting. So there will be codes on your website that will capture the people that have come to the product pages. They have added products to your cart but they have not bought it yet. Now you will directly create an ad that how your product and services will add up value to their life, and you are offering them so that actions can be taken. And believe me guys, by following this funnel, people will ultimately become your loyal customers at the end of the day, as a vote of trust has been passed by your brand. And slowly and gradually word of mouth will start spreading, and people will know your brand more and more and more and more. Your traffic will increase to the website, and obviously more organic results will start coming in that. And at the end of the day, you will observe that your conversions and sales are increasing, and the ultimate aim which you are running your business for, that is increased profits, you will visualize all your dreams. So at the end of the video, I would like to conclude by saying that trust is everything in sales. So implement a digital sales funnel for your business to build that trust. And if you want to see more videos like this and add value to your life, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.